So now we're going to take a look at Filmic Remote, which is one of my favorite features of Filmic Pro. It allows you to go set up your camera, have everything ready, go stand in front of your shot, and then turn on Filmic Remote to see if you're standing in the right place, is your framing look good, etc. And you can press record and start right there. It is fantastic. So we've got this little shot set up. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to click on the gear icon or the settings right there. I'm going to click on device, and then the second thing down here it says remote control, and I'm just going to toggle that on. And so now we can get out of there. And then I'm going to bring out one of my older iPhones, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to look for Filmic Remote, and there it is, and we're going to touch it once. And now it's going to say David Basulto's iPad. So now I can press that once, and it's going to bring up Filmic Pro on my main device. And so I see how everything is. I can move my focus points around. I can change my exposure levels, and I'm ready to go. And all I have to do is press the start button right here, and we're starting to film. You'll see the numbers here. And up here it says under the control of Filmic Remote, long press to disengage. So I would have to press that to disengage it, and it says it's recording. So we know that it's recording. I see that it's recording there. And when I'm done with the shot, I just press it once. I'm good to go, and I would come back over here, hold this, it disengages, and now I can go into my area here, and here's my shot that I just did. Super easy to use. Filmic Remote, I think it's the greatest little addition to Filmic Pro. It's one of the best features. So make sure you get this. It's really great. And thanks for watching.